Enterprises, please welcome on stage Assistant Vice President, Consulting and Architecture at Globe Business, Mr. Marlon Cruz.
Harnessing the power of AI, it will allow Globe Enterprise clients to provide na mas magaling, mas matalinong serbisyo para sa kanilang mga customers. Good morning, everyone! Ano bang bago? First, it's my first time wearing pink. No? So, ito yung bago. So, you heard Eric about the Starlink, then Abby about home AI, intelligent home. So, medyo contrast to, the power of contrast. I got to present the boring technical part. So, you guys will look forward dun sa exciting part. Okay? So, my topic today for B2B or for the business to business, it's two topics. So they were very kind to give me 15 minutes. The first one is Globe Omnichannel Cloud Contact Center. The second one is data streaming. So sa term pa lang medyo technical na, no? But I will make sure that I will avoid technical jargon for you guys to better appreciate of what we're doing in B2B. Okay, who among of you here experience calling a customer hotline? Lahat tayo, di ba? There was a time, no, na medyo nightmare. You're being transferred 5 times. Tapos every time na you're being transferred, you have to repeat kung ano yung concern mo, right? Or you're being put on hold for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, listening to a background music, right? Nakaka-frustrate, right? And this is a result of unreliable old technology. So in 2021, Globe launched what we call the Globe Omnichannel Contact Center. We continue to enhance it, adding more features, creating new business model, okay, to provide the solution to any industry. On top of that, I think just last week, we launched what we call the data streaming solution. Paano papapaliwanag data streaming? So in data streaming, it's something like you're letting a computer analyze the information while it's moving. Or put it this way, kayo sa media, parang you're being asked to read or analyze a news nang sinusulat nyo pa. No? So that's the data streaming. Okay? So to start my presentation, there's no better way to explain the difference between what we call a legacy technology to a new technology. Gusto kong umpisahan yung tinatawag kong hugot phase. Ito yung legacy. Ito yung kinalakihan natin. Okay? In a legacy, ang daming manual reporting. Isipin mo, a company will launch a campaign, so ang gagawin ng agent, tatawagan niya isa-isa. It's very slow, right? Or, ikaw, merong kang concern, okay, sa mobile mo. Tatawag ka, naubos mo na yung isang tasang kape, or probably you finish watching one episode of a Korean novela, doon pa lang yung magsasabing, hello. Meaning it's manual process that, for me, that belongs to an era of a pager or a fax machine, right? The second one, it's yung tinatawag naming manual reporting, okay? We have experience like this. Meaning, in 2012, I have a client in my previous job. They approached me. Nag-nosedive yung productivity ng mga agents dahil nagkaroon ng software upgrade and it's not compatible sa hardware, so bumagal yung application. So, ang binigay na report ng team lead, ina-entertain kasi namin yung sentiment ng mga kliyente, kaya humahaba yung discussion. But they never mentioned that it was an IT problem. The IT leaves another day dahil inaccept yung reason by the management with the promise that they will create a software patch to address this. No? So wala kang way to verify. Okay? So yung decision mo is always based on vibes. Or I think so. Diba? Which is a recipe for a disaster. The third one, eto maganda. Yung tinatawag na accent barriers. Same time, 2012, my boss who is a French, meron siyang problema sa application niya sa device. So he called yung IT department namin and he was saying, I can't. Da sabi nung taga-IT, Sir, you can? Sir, you can? No, I cannot. So, it's, right? So, para kang, it's a Filipino time, yung isa alam 2 p.m., the other one ang alam sometime in the afternoon. Okay? It happens, right? We experience that. The third one, or the fourth one, on-premise servers. Sino sa inyo sumasakay ng MRT? Ako, when I was studying, I used to ride MRT. And a lot of times, kung kailan ka nagmamadali at may exam, dun what? Dun tumitigil. It actually works fine until you need it. Then suddenly, ititirik siya. Ganun yung mga lumang servers. Okay? So what happened? Your customers were left hanging. Right? So the reason why we transformed this solution on what we call a cloud-based contact center o yung aming Globe Omnichannel Cloud Contact Center. So ano ba siya? Okay. So omnichannel means it gives you flexibility. Okay? Aminin natin, kung wala kang TikTok o wala kang FB or wala kang Viber or WhatsApp, basically you don't exist, right? So the omnichannel makes sure na everywhere connected ka. Right? That's one. Second, yung AI accent neutralization, we're not really masking the AI, or the accent, we're matching them. Okay? Para magkaroon ng seamless flow of conversation. Hindi lang po yun. We even created LLM, large language model, na pwedeng speaking in a local dialect or speaking in Taglish. So we created that one. Okay? And the last one is yung tinatawag nating customer insights. We are seeing the sentiments of our clients. Bakit sila tumatawag? Are they happy? Are they lonely? Hindi lang numbers ang nakikita namin, no? But the sentiment itself of our clients. So, the Globe Omnichannel Cloud Contact Center, it's not a software. Okay? It's not just a software. It's a tool to superpower the agents so they will be more efficient and could provide personalized services. Okay? Next one. Masyado bang, hindi naman technical no? Hindi naman. Okay. So, data streaming. Ano ba yung data streaming? In a world of data, meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang mode. Yung isa, batch processing. The other one is data streaming. To explain this, no, for you guys to understand, parang think of a inflatable pool in a summer heat wave in Manila. Meron kang well, but yung balon is located sa neighbor's house mo. when we talk about batch processing, ito yung tinatawag kong timba mode or the bucket mode. All you have to do is fill it up, walk all the way to the pool, pour it in, and repeat. No? So parang kang nagkaroon ng workout. No? By the time na napuno mo yung pool, gabi na. Right? So in data, you're dealing with past tense data. Baka hindi mo na siya kailangan. Okay? Think about data streaming. Ang tawag ko dyan is yung hose, the garden hose method. So buksan mo yung faucet, okay? Data, water flows instantly. In milliseconds, informations are being processed. Okay? So that's the difference. So, ano naman? Right? So punta tayo sa case scenario. For example, a gadget store selling iPhones, mobile phones, laptops. They're implementing what they call a batch process, meaning the transaction data sits in a local bucket until 9 p.m. na magsara yung store. If, for example, if someone uses a stolen credit card to acquire an iPhone, mahuhuli mo lang siya after 9 p.m. kapag ka nag-conduct ka na ng audit. So yung iPhone na binili, na-unbox na siya, o na-ibenta mo na siya sa FB Marketplace, or na-ibenta mo na siya sa Green Hills. That's batch processing. Okay. In data streaming, it's different. The moment you swipe the credit card, the transaction data flows from the POS, point of sale, to the headquarters, to the bank. Immediately, it will be known as a stolen credit card habang nandun pa yung bumibili at kunyari tumitingin ng ID niya, immediately the transaction will be blocked. That's data streaming. Okay? Hindi kami tumigil doon sa B2B. In-integrate namin yung AI. Wow, masyado ng technical. Ano naman kung in-integrate mo yung AI? Okay? I give you a typical use case. Ako, I collect Air Jordan shoes. No, collector ako ng Air Jordan shoes ever since, for the last 10 years. May nakita akong AJ7 infrared, no, which is a limited edition. Tapos, in-inquire ko, the seller looks friendly, very accommodating. Tapos sasabihin niya sa akin, "Sir, i-reserve mo na. Mag-down ka lang kahit 1,000. Papadala ko sa yung link." He sent me the link. Looks legit, pero it's actually a phishing site. So when I input my mobile number, tapos tinype ko yung MPIN ko, boom! Nasa kanya na yung credential ko. So how does data streaming and AI works in synergy? So, if I'm going to use my GCash e-wallet, okay? So yung e-wallet ko sees millions of data transactions as they stream. Okay? So it is being trained to understand what is a legitimate transaction versus a telltale sign of scam. Okay? So you will understand that. Immediately, it will flag some red alerts. Bakit kaya when this criminal or fraudster log in, bakit siya nagla-log in sa isang city na hindi naman kay Marlon? Or bakit siya nagla-log in sa isang device na hindi pa namang ginamit ni Marlon? No? That's the first red alert. Second, if a flag niya, since ang intention is to drain my account, makikita niya na ang laki ng there's a high velocity of transactions. So immediately the transaction will be blocked. Okay? Instant blocking. Right? Bago pa mawala yung pera ko. Second, I will be notified. Sasabihin sa akin na, Marlon, may nagtatangkang mag-log in sa account mo sa ganitong oras, sa ganitong device. Ikaw ba to? Pag sinabi kong hindi, immediately my account will be put on hold. Temporarily locked. Okay? Then I will be given another message to reset my credentials. So that's how it works. That's how consumers are being protected. Okay? So, when you look at all these solutions, nagkukwentuhan nga kami kanina ng marketing. We're talking about Moneyball. Nanood kasi ako gabi habang may ginagawa. So there was this scene I just like to share between Peter Brand at saka si Billy Bean. Billy Bean is si Brad Pitt, si Peter Brand is si Jonah Hill. So it's a baseball story. Okay? So medyo small market sila, Oakland A's. Parang ang salary nila was only 40 million versus the big market which is around 140 million. So sabi ni Peter Brand, you shouldn't buy players. You should buy wins. And in order for you to buy wins, you should buy runs. So it's all about result and value. The powerful combination of the presentation we're providing you, AI, GOCC, data streaming, meaning these are all solutions because we fully understand the need of our customer before they even inquire. Okay? Meaning it's about turning guessworking into certainty. Parang pag tinignan mo yung data streaming is the life pulse of the business. Data streaming is the life pulse of the business. When you look at GOCC, Globe Omni Contact Center, Globe Omni Contact Center serves as the hand to deliver the message. AI serves as the mindset to decipher. So, itong mga solution na to is not specific to a particular industry, but it becomes a universal blueprint for excellence. Regardless kung anong industry ka. BPO, to FSI, to retail, manufacturing, logistics. It's giving them something like, you're no longer analyzing the game. You're changing it real time. Again, I am Marlon Cruz from B2B. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.